Now, masmuka, masmuka, ma, that's mean what. Ismu here, that's mean name. Ka, identify the person I'm speaking to. In this case, it's one singular male. Masmuka, what's your name? Ma, smuka. Masmuka, what's your name? You may hear people say ma ismuka. The best way to say it is say masmuka. You merge it. Masmuka. And if you address this same question to a female, singular, you say masmuki. Note that the beginning is the same. Ma and ma, what, is the same. Ismu here is the same, name. But the ending, ki, is for female, when you are addressing to a female. And ka is when you are addressing it to a male. So I will say to you, masmuka, if you are a male. If you are a female, I'll say to you, masmuki. Now, the response, ismi, my name is, ismi. This has no gender. Now, the speaker in Arabic, which is first person, there's no gender involved. So a man will reply by saying, ismi, my name is. A lady also will reply saying the same thing, ismi, my name is, followed by your name. Let's try it out. I'm now talking to you as a man. I'm talking to you, you are a man. Masmuka, what's your reply? Ismi, my name is. Let's say your name is Faisal. You say, my name is Faisal. Now I'm talking to you now, you as a female, Masmuki. The reply, Ismi, and then your name. In this case, like a Zainab, Fatima, Khadija, Nadia, Ismi, and then your name. So Masmuka, Masmuki, Ismi. Let's sing it. Masmuka, Masmuki, Masmuka, Masmuki, Ismi. Masmuka, Masmuki, Ismi. That's good. Masmuka, Masmuki, Ismi. Ask me the question. Masmuka? Okay, I can hear. Ismi Imran. Ismi Imran. Shukran. Thank you. Wa. Can you remember what wa means at the beginning? Wa as mean and. Wa anta masmuka. Now, I hope you remember masmuka. Masmuka means what's your name? I'm asking Iman. Now, anta means you, again, direct at a male, singular. Wa anta, and you, masmuka, what's your name? Now, if I'm saying the same thing to a woman, I will say wa, which is the same, and, anti, and you. Note that anta becomes anti, the ending for you male, anta, and that is detached pronoun. Anti, you, and that's a detached pronoun for female. Masmuki. The ka and ki is attached pronoun. Wa anta masmuka, wa anti masmuki. Together, wa anta masmuka, wa anti masmuki. The reply, response, ismi, my name is. There's no gender involved here. So, assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum assalam. Masmuka, ismi Imran. Assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum assalam. Masmuki, you say ismi Zainab, ismi Khadija. Wa anta, and you, masmuka. Wa anti, masmuki, ismi. So we've done 3 also phrases now. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today, inshallah, we're going to move forward now. We have now mastered the alphabets in its isolate form and the names of them from alif to ya. The next now is to introduce the vowel, short vowels. There are 3 short vowels in Arabic: Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma. Fatha is a symbol placed on the letter above the letter. That symbol is Fatha, and it sounds A. Fatha, A. The same symbol, if it's put below a letter, is called Kasra. Kasra sounds E. And this symbol on top of a letter is U sound, Dhamma, and is U, Dhamma. So we have Fatha A, Kasra E, Dhamma U together. Fatha A, Kasra E, Dhamma U. Fatha sounds A, Kasra sounds E, Dhamma sounds U. A, E, U. U, E, A. E, A, U. Let's try and implement this and apply it. I'll give you a letter. Tell me this letter, and then we will try the... If I put this letter, for instance, tell me. What's that? That's sin. No hesitation. That's sin. Let's put E sounds, Kasra, below that sin, becomes C. So you take the sound, you marry it with the beginning of the name itself, of the letter. So sin, E, C. If I put Fatha on top of it, you will say Sa, Sa. If I put Dhamma, which is U sound, on top of it, you say Su. So Si, Sa, Su. Sa, Si, Su. Su, Sa, Si. Another letter. Let's try Jim, for instance. That's letter Jim. Put U on Jim, becomes, tell me, Jim with U, Ju, Ju. Jim with Fatha, Ja. Good. Jim with Kasra, G. So we have Ju, Ja, G. Well done. Let's try a couple of more letters, such as Lam. That's Lam. Let's try Lam 3 times. Lam, La, Li, Lu. Or we can change it to say Li, Lu, La. Li, Lu, La. One more letter, and then we'll try all the alphabet in a minute. So another letter, give me a letter, such as maybe Ya, last letter in the alphabet. So we have Yi, Ya, Yu. Yi, Ya, Yu. Yu, Ya, Yi. Ya, Yi, Yu. And so on. So that's your 3 short vowels. Remember their name? Fatha A, Kasra E, Dhamma U. And we're going to have a look at that in the, I refer you to the book. It's in the book, and that's page 12 and page 13. Shortly, I'll be putting poster on the board for you so that we can practice the short vowels, the 3 short vowels. A, E, U. But in the meantime, I like to call your attention to a particular shape that you may notice on Alif or below the Alif. Now before that as well, I need to call your attention into the fact that Alif itself, there is no sound for Alif. Just look at the vowel that it carries and you deal with that vowel. Now this is a symbol of Hamza, like a C with a tail, on top of Alif, for instance. So you have A. You may have it on top of Alif together with the U sound. or below the alif and E sound. So please note that the alif itself, there's no particular sound for it, but you deal with the vowel that it carries, above or below. In this case, you have that a fatha on top of hamza, you say a. The u on top of hamza, you say u. And e, because we have this hamza underneath the alif and it's carrying the e sound. So hamza itself is a glottal stop. Yeah, glottal stop, which is just like that. So a, u, e. Now let's go straight now to the poster so we can see all the letters in the alphabet carrying one short vowel, fatha, kasra, dhamma. Right, here we have the poster, A1 size poster, and that is the Arabic alphabet with the short vowels. And this is one copy or one of the 6 posters in the Gateway to Arabic poster pack number 2. الحروف العربية مع الحركات القصيرة. The Arabic alphabet with the short vowels. On top, you have the alphabet written out from beginning to the end. To the left, you have fatha, a, dhamma, u, kasra, e. That is your short vowels. Now we are going to concentrate now, zoom in a little bit to actually read the alphabet from alif to ya with short vowels, 3 short vowels, a, e, u. Let's now zoom in. If we start with the alif, alif is now carrying hamza, and on top of that hamza we have u, dhamma. So alif, hamza, u. That's u, and then alif with the hamza below and is carrying kasra, e. The third one is alif carrying hamza on top and fatha, a, on top of the hamza. U, e, a. U, e, a. Ba, kasra, b. Ba, dhamma, bu. Ba, fatha, ba. B, bu, ba. B, bu, ba. Ta, fatha, ta. Ta, kasra, ti. Ta, dhamma, tu. Ta, ti, tu. Tha, dhamma, thu. Tha, fatha, tha. Tha, kasra, fi. Thu, tha, fi. Jim, fatha, ja. Jim, dhamma, ju. Jim, kasra, ji. Ja, ju, ji. Ha, kasra, hi. Ha, dhamma, hu. Ha, fatha, ha. Hi, hu, ha. Kha, dhamma, khu. Kha, kasra, khi. Kha, fatha, kha. Khu, khi, kha. Dal, fatha, da. Dal, kasra, di. Dal, dhamma, du. Da, di, du. Dhal, dhamma, dhu. Dhal, kasra, ذي. ذال فتحة ذا. ذو ذي ذا. را فتحة را. را ضمة رو. را كسرة ري. را رو ري. زين كسرة زي. زين ضمة زو. زين فتحة ز. زي زو ز. سين ضمة سو. سين كسرة سي. سين فتحة س. سو سي س. شين فتحة ش. شين كسرة شي. شين ضمة شو. ش شي شو. صاد كسرة صي. صاد فتحة ص. صاد ضمة صو. صي ص صو. ضاد فتحة ض. ضاد ضمة ضو. ضاد كسرة ضي. ض ضو ضي. ط كسرة طي. ط فتحة ط. ط ضمة طو. طي ط طو. ظاء كسرة ظي. ظاء فتحة ظاء. ظاء ضمة ذو. ذي ظا ذو. عين فتحة ع. عين ضمة عو. عين كسرة عي. ع عو عي. غين ضمة غو. غين كسرة غي. غين فتحة غ. غو غي غ. فاء كسرة في. فاء ضمة فو. فاء فتحة ف. في فو ف. قاف كسرة قي. قاف فتحة ق. قاف ضمة قو. قي قا قو. كاف فتحة ك. كاف كسرة كي. كاف ضمة كو. ك كي كو. لام ضمة لو. لام فتحة لا. لام كسرة لي. لو لا لي. ميم فتحة ما. ميم كسرة مي. ميم ضمة مو. ما مي مو. نون فتحة ن. نون ضمة نو. نون كسرة ني. ن نو ني. ها كسرة هي. ها فتحة ها. ها ضمة هو. هي ها هو. واو ضمة و. واو كسرة وي. واو فتحة و. و وي و. يا كسرة ي. يا ضمة يو. يا فتحة يا. ي يو يا. Now let's repeat the same exercise now with a little bit of speed, and join me please. U I A. B bu ba. Ta ti tu. Thu tha fi. Ja ju ji. Hi hu ha. Khu khi kha. Da di du. Thu vi tha. ra, ru, ri, zi, zu, za, su, si, sa, sha, shi, shu, sui, so, su, do, du, di, ti, to, tu, zi, zo, zu, a, u, i, ru, ri, ra, fi, fu, fa, qi, qa, qu, ka, ki, ku, lu, la, li, ma, mi, mu, na, nu, ni, hi, ha, hu, wu, wi, wa, yi, yu, ya. One more time, final one. U, I, a, bi, bu, ba, ta, ti, tu, thu, tha, thi, ja, ju, ji, hi, hu, ha, hu, hi, ha, da, di, du, dhu, ri, da, ra, ru, ri, zi, zu, za, su, si, sa, sha, shi, shu, si, so, su, do, du, di, ti, to, tu, ri, vo, zu, a, u, i, ru, ri, ra, fi, fu, fa, qi, qa, qu, ka, ki, ku, lu, la, li, ma, mi, mu, na, nu, ni, hi, ha, hu, wu, wi, wa, yi, yu, ya. Well done. You can see that vowels are mixed up. There's no pattern going on there, because when you are reading Arabic, it will be distributed in that kind of format. You can have U first, E second, or R first, U second, and so on. Hence, you need to learn it in this way to become second nature, and that will give you the key to reading ability, to reading skill. Well done. We are making progress. Right, on page 12 and page 13 of the Arabic from the beginning part 1 book, you will find more analysis on your short vowels, the a, e, u, as well as Hamza as well. And it's a chance for you to do copying out as well. That's always better to reinforce your knowledge. So page 12 and page 13 in the book, you have your exercise there. Good luck. Now we're now on page 14. This is for reading practice with the short vowel. Let's do it together slowly and nicely, please. Ain with fatha, a. Lam with kasra, li. Mim with fatha, ma. A, li, ma. Alima. Jim with fatha, ja. Ha with kasra, hi. Lam with fatha, la. Ja, hi, la. Jahila. Noon with fatha, na. Jim with fatha, ja. Ha with fatha, ha. Na, ja, ha. Najaha. To with fatha, to. Lam with fatha, la. Ain with fatha, a. To, la, a. Tola'a. Ra with fatha, ra. Sin with fatha, sa. Ba with fatha, ba. Ra, sa, ba. Rasaba. Qaf with fatha, qa. Ba with dhamma, bu. Ha with fatha, ha. Qa, bu, ha. Qabuha. Kha with fatha, kha. Ra with kasra, ri. Sin with fatha, sa. Kha, ri, sa. Kharisa. Sod with fatha, so. Ghain with dhamma, ghu. Ra with fatha, ra. So, ghu, ra. Saghura. Ha with fatha, ha. Sin with dhamma, su. Noon with fatha, na. Ha, su, na. حسن. Lam with fatha la. Fa with fatha fa. Dho with fatha dho. La fa dho. Lafadho. Fa with fatha fa. Qaf with fatha qa. Da with fatha da. Fa qa da. Faqada. Noon with fatha na. Tha with fatha tha. Ra with fatha ra. Na tha ra. Nathara. Waw with fatha wa. Jim with fatha ja. Dal with fatha da. Wa ja da. Wajada. Alif with fatha a. Kaf with fatha ka. Lam with fatha la. A ka la. Akala. Shim. Shin with fatha sha. Ra with kasra ri. Ba with fatha ba. Sha ri ba. Shariba. Ha with fatha ha. Dod with fatha da. Mim with fatha ma. Ha da ma. Hadama. Ha with dhamma hu. Dal with kasra di. Mim with fatha ma. Hu di ma. Hudima. Ba with dhamma bu. Noon with kasra ni. Ya with fatha ya. Bu ni ya. Buniya. Dhal with fatha dha. Ha with fatha ha. Ba with fatha ba. Dha ha ba. Dhahaba. Tha with fatha tha. Qaf with dhamma qu. Lam with fatha la. Tha qu la. Thaqula. Ra with fatha ra. Jim with fatha ja. Ain with fatha a. Ra ja a. Raja'a. Lam with fatha la. Ba with kasra bi. Sin with fatha sa. La bi sa. Labisa. Kaf with dhamma ku. Ta with kasra ti. Ba with fatha ba. Ku ti ba. Kutiba. Dod with fatha da. Ghain with fatha gha. Ta with fatha ta. Da gha ta. ضغط. Dal with fatha dal. Kha with fatha kha. Lam with fatha la. Da kha la. Dakhala. Kha with fatha kha. Ra with fatha ra. Jim with fatha ja. Kha ra ja. Kharaja. Kha with fatha kha. Lam with fatha la. Ain with fatha a. Kha la a. Khala'a. Za with fatha za. Ha with fatha ha. Fa with fatha fa. Za ha fa. Zahafa. Alif with fatha a. Kha with fatha kha. Dhal with fatha dha. A kha dha. Akhadha. Ta with fatha ta. Ain with kasra ai. Ba with fatha ba. Ta ai ba. Ta'iba. Kha with dhamma khu. Lam with kasra li. Qaf with fatha qa. Khu li kha. Khuliqa. Khu خلق. Ba with fatha ba, dal with fatha da, alif with fatha a. Ba da a. Bada'a. We're now on page 15. This time I want you to do more. So we've gone through the fatha, kasra, dhamma thoroughly. Now let's do page 15. Qara'a, qara'a. Taraka, taraka. Yabisa, yabisa. Sami'a, sami'a. Ruziqa, ruziqa. Rufi'a, rufi'a. Zaliqa, zaliqa. Sa'ala, sa'ala. Fahima, fahima. Nafatha, nafatha. Nadima, nadima. Sato'a, sato'a. Ba'atha, ba'atha. Dhukira, dhukira. Shabi'a, shabi'a. Tora'a, tora'a. Umira, umira. Wada'a, wada'a. Dahika, dahika. Bahatha, bahatha. Jalasa, jalasa. Sabaqa, sabaqa. Ghafara, ghafara. Muni'a, muni'a. Mala'a, mala'a. Ghadiba, ghadiba. Hamala, hamala. Amila, amila. Dhulima, dhulima. Zara'a, zara'a. Dhahara, dhahara. Da'aba, da'aba. Tabi'a, tabi'a. Amuna, amuna. Thabata, thabata. Sona'a, sona'a.